Hi everyone, I'm Tovah and thanks for tuning in to day number 10 of the 10-day yoga challenge. Congratulations in making it all the way through, and for you today, this class is really my gift to you with a full savasana practice. So we are going to spend the final day with really a rejuvenating and relaxing practice. Often people will come to class and they'll joke and say, can't we just do savasana all the time or for the whole class? Well, today we are definitely going to do that. Your body deserves time to rest, to rejuvenate, and really find that more meditative mental break. So I'm going to give you a moment to get comfortable. This could be any back lying, side lying, stomach lying position that you like. Grabbing some props, some cushions, throw on a blanket, a sweater, some socks, whatever you need to be comfortable here. And if you're looking for some suggestions, legs up the wall, if you have a wall nearby, is always nice. You could choose to come into waterfall pose, which would be your legs up, but often having a cushion underneath your bum just to help support your legs and make it a little bit easier. You could do something like legs half up, so putting your legs up on a chair or stack pillows fairly high so that you got about a 90-degree bend in the legs. So I could just put my legs up on the fireplace here, or coming into something like lying bound angle. We've done that in a couple of classes. So I'll leave it up to you, but get relaxed, get comfortable, and settle in for a really nice 10th day practice. And as we get settled in here, for lots of people, they really love this part of class, the relaxation aspect. But there's always people who this part of class is actually very, very difficult. They have a hard time quieting down, stilling their mind. And I would always say for the people who struggle the most with that mental aspect, that quieting down, this is actually something that you need to spend more time practicing. So often the A-type personalities, the busybodies, the go-getters, they always are driven towards a really active practice, a really physical practice. And that's okay to do that some of the time. But if your mind can't slow down, and if it's hard for you to be still and quiet, your body and your mind are really telling you that you need more of that in your life. So if the idea of a 30-minute or 60-minute yin class is scary to you because it's too much quiet and too much still, use that as a message that you need to spend a little more time slowing down and doing that. This is the time for our body to quiet down. And as our body begins to quiet, our mind will follow us on the journey there towards rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. And it's that quieting down that what we're really working towards is soothing and calming and slowing down our nervous system. Our nervous system gets bombarded all day with the fast pace of our life and work, our smart devices, our social media. Your body and your nervous system need time to unplug. And just enjoying this time now as your mind begins to become more quiet. And if that's something that you struggle with, try counting your breaths or just saying to yourself, inhale, exhale as you breathe. beginning to draw yourself away from savasana. Just really taking your time here. And that might mean resisting the urge to move quicker. Start to breathe deeper and stronger. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And then gently allow yourself to roll to one side, to come off any props that you might be using. And just resting there for a few more breaths. And now slowly coming back to a comfortable seated or kneeling place on your mat. And we'll bring our hands to our heart. Thank you so much for joining and sticking with me for 10 days in this challenge. And if you completed all 10 days, please drop a note in the comments. Let this yoga community, this yoga family know how you've done and maybe what your goals are for continuing yoga after these 10 days. We'll finish the class together. Loka Samusta Sukhi Nu Bhavantu. May all beings everywhere find happiness and freedom. Again, I'm Tovah, and thanks for watching. Namaste.